So, in essence, as I speak over the visuals that you are seeing of Dr. Nandipha, you would remember that we were only told or informed yesterday that Thabo Bester was going to be the only one of the
Dr. Nandipha Magudumana has appeared in court today virtually through a Zoom conference meeting, a very first for South Africa, where we see criminal attending court cases online and not physically, you guys. Now, Dr. Nandipha has rubbed many South Africans the wrong way for her sneaky smiles and laughs while on camera. Her smug smile annoyed many people as they said she and her team might have some sneaky idea to get the filthy rich criminal out of jail because, honey, this is Mzansi and money talks after all. And also, you guys, Dr. Nandipha's legal team did not apply for her bail today, a clear indication that they might have something planned up. The good doctor's case has also been postponed to the 20th of June 2023, together with her lover, Thabo Bester. This is what social media had to say. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana is posing, smiling, and displaying fashion statements, caring less about the family that lost their son, and also in a way arrogantly mocking the court. Not a Dr. Nandipha Magudumana looking like she's about to record her own vlog, How to Love a Criminal, Bonnie and Clyde style. I think this answers our questions. They are living a soft life in present Mandisa Road. This is starting to be a bit disrespectful to the family involved and the public in general. Every time this woman appears in court, she's all smiles, shows no remorse or care in the world, like it's all jokes to her. She honestly needs a reality check. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.